don't you just ask Mr. Richard Pooley? He was in here visiting his auntie the day before she died.
Oh, yes, ma'am. Thank you for your time. Good night.
Good night, ma'am.
Miss Tyler, is there anything I can... Good night, Edward. Good night, Dad.
Saw your Auntie Estelle at the nursing home. Was she wearing her emerald, her diamond, and her gold ring?
Yes, sir, she certainly was.
You sure now?
You wouldn't miss those items of jewelry on my Aunt Estelle's fingers. You could hardly look at her face for looking at those rings. Why do you ask?
Well, I'm surprised you haven't asked yourself.
What are you talking about?
From the moment your auntie died until this very moment now, those 3 items of jewelry are missing.
Well, Chief, I want to thank you for bringing this to my attention. You know, I would say that jewelry's worth $60,000 if it's worth a penny. You know, you've given me another cause of action against the Munson Manor nursing home. Grand theft as well as criminal negligence.
Now, murder is what we're leaning to more than negligence. Now we got a motive for murder, the theft of the jewelry. But I can see why you prefer the negligence.
Oh, you can?
Well, it gives you a civil suit against the nursing home. Well, we'll find out which it is. We're getting closer. Could you tell me who your aunt was planning to leave that jewelry to in her will?
Well, not that it's any of your business, Chief. But I think she was planning to leave it all to me. Except maybe the nursing home.
Are you the lawyer handling your auntie's will?
Certainly not. Her lawyer is Mr. George Fallings of Sparta. I would not impose myself on my own family.
Very delicate. Well, that's appropriate. George Fallings, quite appropriate.
Why are you bothering me, Gillespie? You know very well I have to presume an attorney-client relationship.
Only the attorney is still living, George. The client is dead.
Yeah, well, ethics, they never die.
Well, I wasn't asking you a legal question. I'm asking you a social question. How is it that Miss Estelle Pooley, worth by all accounts millions of dollars, chose to live not in her mansion, but in a nursing home at the edge of Sparta?
You don't know the answer to that?
Well, if I did, George, I wouldn't ask you now, would I?
Because she owns the place.
Well, I own a duck blind on the creek, but I don't live in it.
Would she like the company at the home? There's another reason for not living in that mansion.
Tell me.
Because it's occupied top to bottom by 50 generations of termites that go back to the war between the states. Richard Pooley